Hey, have you seen our last episode? Do you know improvisations? If not, you must check our last episode. Today, we are going to talk about PEM, PEM method. PEM is a comparatively new theatre method and it's a new approach to acting. PEM stands for Perdicam Emotional Method. The method is devised and developed by German playwright and director Stefan Perdicam. PEM method has given us a very important formula to access our emotions through our body, and that too without going through any emotional memory or any emotional stimulus. Do you want to know how? So what happens in PEM that different body organs contract or relaxes or go inwards or outwards according to what emotion you want to play. PEM have identified 6 emotions as basic human emotions: fear, grief, aggression, lust, disgust, and happiness. And for these 6 emotions, PEM technique has different body organs like liver, sexual organs, or your stomach, intestine. Like if you are very angry, your whole body will start shaking, your breath will start trembling. How it happens? Because our organs, our body has memory of itself to behave in certain way. So, like in real life, this happens, your body reacts, then you express. But in PEM technique, the whole process will just go in reverse. You will control your body first, and through that, automatically your emotions will come out. This is all about how PEM theatre technique can be fruitful for actors. But what for non-actors? Do you know that 2 drops of tears can create an impact on person in front of you? And sometimes, even if you are feeling very sad and really want to cry, those tears just doesn't show up. So grief is the emotion related to small intestine, and if you will pull that intestine inwards, you will see your eyes tearing up at instant. Just like this, without any emotional attachment, without any emotional memory, or without any psychological trigger, with just small physical trigger, you can express this much. Thanks for watching this video. Let us know your remarks on our comments. Please subscribe Hypatia Media and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you.